Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we were studying the i'rab of the ism and the fi'l. So just the revision of what the i'rab of fi'l madin and fi'l mudari'an is gonna look like. So for fi'l madin, and we said that that it's gonna be mabni, is not gonna change, is not gonna be morab. So for is gonna be always mabniun daiman, and for these pronouns huwa, hiya, huma is gonna be mabni al fathi. For example, if we take the example of nasara, huwa nasara, hiya nasarat, huma nasara. So you see the ending of the last radical is showing is you see the fatha ending there, like nasara ra, nasarat rat, ra has the fatha, nasara ra has the fatha. So in these cases is going to be mabni, is not going to be changed, is always going to have a fatha, mabniun al fathi. And for these pronouns ana, nahnu, anta, anti, antuma, antum, antunna, hunna is going to be mabni al sukoon. So it's always gonna the ending of the third radical is gonna be always with the sukoon. For example, same for case of nasara, ana nasartu. So nasartu, you see nasartu ra getting a sukoon. Nahnu nasarna, anta nasarta, anti nasarti, antuma nasartuma, antum nasartum, antunna nasartunna, hunna nasarna. In all these cases, and you see that the ra ending was getting a sukoon. So for all these verb forms, the fi'l madin is going to be mabniun ala sukoon. And for only one form, hum is going to be mabni ala dammi. So for the same case of nasara, so for whom is going to be nasaru. So you see ru ra getting the damma. So for whom is going to be mabni fi'l madin mabni ala dammi. This is how we're going to define put the i'rab on the verbs. So that was the case of fi'l madin. Fi'l mudari. So this is the summary for fi'l mudari. Some forms they're going to be morab, like they're going to change, some particle will be changing, and some forms will remain mabni. So for in case of morab, some forms they're gonna change. The original form is gonna be marfu, they will change to mansub, and then they will change to majzoom. Some particle will make those forms mansub, and some particles like lam will make them majzoom. So in the case of marfu, so when the verb is without these words, is not followed by these words an, lan or lam, then what happens? Then it's going to be fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un, fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bid dhamma. So with the dhamma, it's going to have a dhamma at the end. Like say if we take same verb nasara yansuru, so for ana is ansuru, nahnu nansuru, anta tansuru, huwa yansuru, hiya tansuru. So you see all ra getting u, ansuru, nansuru, tansuru, yansuru, tansuru. You see ra getting the dhamma sign. So for all these verb forms, we're gonna say fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un wa alamatu rafi. What is the sign that they are rafa? Alamatu rafi the al dammatu. So you see, for like I said, ansuru, nansuru, tansuru, yansuru, tansuru. You see ru is getting a dhamma. So this is the rafa form of these verb forms is going to be ending with u, which is dhamma. And for these with these pronouns, anti, like tansurina, antuma, tansurani, antum, tansuruna, huma, yansurani, hum, yansuruna. So you see they all end with the noon. So when you see the noon, then that means this is the rafa marfu form. So for all these verbs, we're gonna say fe'lun mudariun marfuun wa alamatu rafi sabuti noon, the presence of noon. So the presence of noon will show that these are the marfu forms, and these 5 verb forms are called afalul khamsa because they all end with the noon, have a noon. Okay, so that was the fe'lun mudare marfu form. In case of mansub, some particles will make the fe'l mudare will change them to mansub form, like an or lan. So when fe'l mudare is followed by these particles, so what happens? For the case of these pronouns, ana, nahnu, anta, huwa, hiya, the ending will change from dhamma to fatah. Like here it was ansuru, here it will change to ansura if it follows by such particles. Here it was nansuru, it will be gonna be nansura. Here it was tansuru, is gonna be tansura. Here it was yansuru, is gonna be yansura. Here it was tansuru, is gonna be tansura. So you see, ra will change from dhamma to fatah sign. So for all these verb forms, we're gonna say fe'lun mudariun mansubun walamatu nasbi al fatah. The sign of the nasab is fatah sign at the end of these for these verb forms. And for the afalul khamsa, simply just remove the noon. Like in this case was tansurina, here is going to be tansuri, just remove noon. Tansurani is going to be tansura, tansuruna is going to be tansuru, yansurani going to be yansura, yansuruna is going to be yansuru. So the hazfi noon, the removal of omission of noon will make it a mansub form. And for majzoom also it remains the same, just noon is removed. So for in other words, with these pronouns, just removal of noon will make it mansub or majzoom. And for majzoom, some particle will make the verb form majzoom, like lam. So this is simple, just removal of noon will make them majzoom, like for afalul khamsa, anti, antuma, antum, huma, hum. But for these ana, nahnu, anta, huwa, hiya, here it was the u sign, dhamma, here it was the fatah, here it gonna be sukoon. Like for ana, here it was ansur, here it will change. For mansur gonna be ansura, here is gonna be ansur. Nansuru, nansura, nansur. Tansuru, tansura, tansur. Yansuru, yansura, yansur. Tansuru, tansura, tansur. You see, just ra will get the sukoon. And when with these verb forms, you're gonna say fe'lul mudariun majzumun wa alamatu jazmihi as-sukoon. So this the sign of the sukoon means that this is the majzoom form. And what will be making it majzoom? Like particle like lam. So only 2 forms left which are mabni, hunna and antunna, which so they end with the nunun niswa, so they're gonna be mabni, they will not change. So there was just the revision of the i'rab for fe'lun madin and fe'lun mudare. Let's do some practice here. So at-ta'amu jahizun, the food is ready. So we know that this is jumla ismiya, where at-ta'amu is mubtada and jahizun is khabar, as you can see here. So how we gonna define a mubtada here, at-ta'amu? So we're gonna say mubtada marfuun, because mubtada has to be marfu, wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. You see the damma here, this is the sign of. So this is how you're gonna put the i'rab for the mubtada. And for khabar, we're gonna say khabrun marfuun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Same thing, because mubtada if has to be marfu and khabar has to be marfu. So this is how we're gonna put the i'rab. This is how we're gonna define mubtada and khabar. So that was for this sentence. Take another sentence. Usratuka latifatun. Your family is nice. So here you see the usratuka, there are two words here, usratu plus ka. Usratu is mubtada plus then it also becomes mudaf, and ka is attached pronoun is mudaf alay, and latifatun is khabar. So again is jumla ismiya. So how we gonna put the i'rab, how we gonna define mubtada and mudaf alay and the khabar. So for you see here the by the colors I have identified. So for usratu is again mubtada marfu wa alamatu rafi ad-damma, and we can see the damma here on the ta, and plus then it's gonna be mudaf, and ka is damirun mabniun alal fathi. So you see you fatha sign on ka, so all pronouns are mabni, they don't change. So damirun mabniun alal fathi, but mudaf alay has to be majroor, but we won't see the majroor sign here because they are mabni. So we're gonna say fi mahalli jarrin. This fatha sign is actually in place of jar, and it is mudaf alay. So this is how we're gonna define the mudaf alay. And then latifatun is khabar, same thing. Khabrun marfuun wa alamatu rafi al-damma. You see damma here. So this is how we're gonna define. There was the jumla to jumla ismiya. Now take this jumla fe'liya, fe'lu madin. So hafaz al-jaddu sawtahu. Granddad, he lowered his voice. So we know that hafaza is fe'lu madin, and al-jaddu is the file. When there is a fail, there is a file. So al-jaddu, granddad, is the file, and damma sign shows that this is the file. So sauta is with the fatha sign shows this is maf'ul, and then becomes mudaf, and who is mudaf alay, his voice. So hafaza fail, jaddu file, sauta maf'ul bihi, and who is mudaf alay. So how we gonna put the i'rab? So for hafaza is fe'lu madin mabni, all fe'lu madin al mabni al fatha, because this is the huwa form, and we said that for huwa hiya huma is gonna be mabni al fathi, and we can see here hafaza is the huwa form, so it's going to be mabni alal fathi. Al-jaddu is the file, so file has to be marfu, so we're going to say failun marfuun wa alamatu rafi damma. We can see the damma here. Failun marfuun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. And for sauta is the fatha sign, so this is the maf'ul. So maf'ulun bihi mansubun, maf'ul has to be mansub, wa alamatu nasbi al-fatha. This fatha is this is the sign that this is mansub. And then this becomes mudaf, and who is mudaf alay. So what is who? Damirun, I would also add muttasilun, because this is attached. Muttasil mean attached. Zamirun muttasilun mabniun al dammi. You see damma sign here. So we saying that this is mabni with the dhamma, because this will not change. So we are using this as mudaf alayh, which has to be jar, but it will not show the jar form. So then we're gonna say zamirun muttasilun mabniun ala dhammi fi mahalli jarrin, in place of jar mudaf alayh. Okay, now take another example. This is the here khabar is the whole jumla ismiya. So how we gonna put the i'rab or define in this case? So Muhammadun we know is mubtada. So it's mubtada number 1, because jumla, this is jumla ismiya, which is coming as the khabar for Muhammad. So it's gonna be also have mubtada khabar, and then this whole jumla gonna become khabar for Muhammad. So here Muhammad is mubtada and the whole jumla ismiya is khabar for Muhammad. So I have circled it with the red. And then usratu is the mubtada number 2, who then it becomes mudaf, who is mudaf alayh, khabar is kabiratun. So Muhammad, his family is big. So this is the meaning of this. So how we gonna define Muhammadun? Muhammadun is mubtada mubtadaun marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, has a damma. And usratu, so just the usratu part of it, who is separate. Usratu part of it is mubtada marfu, we can say mubtada sani, second, marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, has a damma, and then it becomes mudaf. And who is zamirun muttasilun, again I'm saying muttasilun because this is attached to usratu. Some pronouns come attached, some come detached. So for attached is zamirun muttasilun, and those that come detached is zamirun munfasilun. So zamirun muttasilun mabni ala dhammi, who has a dhamma, but it has to be jar fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayh, for mudaf alayh. And for kabiratun is khabar number 2 for usratu. So we can say khabru sani marfoon wa lamatu rafi dhamma, and has a dhamma. And then this whole jumla ismiya, how we gonna define the whole jumla ismiya? Usratuhu kabiratun is fi mahalli rafin, khabar for Muhammadun, mubtada number 1. Okay, so now this was the some revision. Now if we go to the lesson, we're going to have a practice of this. Al-usratu, the family. So Kamalun, let's read it. Kamalun lahu sadiqun, he has a friend. Kamal has a friend. Misriyun, Misri friend. Ismuhu Muhammadun, his name is Muhammad. So we know that Kamal is mubtada, and we're gonna define mubtada awwal marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma. Same thing that we have just learned. Lahu sadiqun is jumla ismiya, which is coming as a khabar for Kamalun. So jumla ismiya. So that means there's gonna be another mubtada khabar. So here lahu is, what is lahu? Lam is harfu jar, and ha is damirun muttasilun mabniun ala dhammi, who has dhamma. Fi mahalli jarrin is a majroor, and this jarun wa majroorun shibu jumla, this is shibu jumla. Fi mahalli rafin khabar sanin, this is khabar for second khabar, because this is mubtada number 1, gonna be khabar number 1, and this is for mubtada number 2, this is khabar number 2. So this is how we gonna define. And sadiqun, for sadiqun is mubtada sanin, second mubtada, because Kamal is the first mubtada. Mubtada sanin muakhar, it comes after the khabar. Normally mubtada comes before, so in this case is coming after. So mubtada sanin muakharun marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, and this is damma sign at the that shows that this is marfu. And then this whole jumla is gonna be khabar number 1 for kamalun. Jumla ismiya fi mahalli rafin khabar for kamal. This is just we have learned. And then again ismuhu Muhammadun. Again ismu is mubtada. Walamatu rafi mubtada. Ism is mubtada. Walamatu rafi ad-damma. And then becomes mudaf, and ha is zamirun muttasilun mabni ala dammi, who has a damma, fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayh. Same we just have read. And ismuhu, his name is Muhammad. So Muhammad is a khabar here. Khabarun marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma. His name is Muhammad. Muhammadun usratu kabiratun. Again Muhammad, his family is big, and Muhammad is mubtada. Again mubtada awwal marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma. And usratuhu kabiratun. Again usratu is mubtada number 2 and plus mudaf, who is mudaf alayh, and kabiratun is khabar number 2, and then this whole jumla ismiya becomes khabar number 1 for Muhammadun. So how we gonna define usratu? Mubtada sanin, we gonna say mubtada sanin marfoon mubtada sanin, second mubtada musraf sanin marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma wa huwa mudaf wal ha damirun muttasilun mabni ala ad-dammi fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayh, who is mudaf alayh, his family. And this is gonna be khabar kabiratun khabru sanin marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma. And then this whole jumla ismiya is gonna be khabar for Muhammadun. When we're gonna say jumla ismiya fi mahalli rafin khabar li mubtada Muhammad. So simple. Tajtamiyul usratu fi baytil jaddi yawmal jumati. The family gets together in the grandpa's house on Friday. So this is jumla fi'liya starting with the verb tajtamiyu, which is the verb is ijtama'a yajtamiyu, to get together. So what is tajtamiyu? You see having a damma sign. So tajtamiyu is fe'lun mudariun marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. This is the damma sign, because this is not followed by any such particle which is making it a nasab, mansoob or majzoom, and the regular form is going to be marfu. Al-usratu. So this was the fail, so it's going to be the file. So al-usratu, we're going to define failun marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, and fi baytil jaddi yawmal jumati. And then Sala Kamalun Muhammadan. Kamal, so who asked who? With the damma sign is the one is the file and Muhammadun is the maf'ul. So Kamal asked, because this is the jumla fi'liya. Kamal asked Muhammad, Hal tuhibbu an tazhaba ma'i ila cinema? Do you like going with me to the cinema? So what is Sala? Sala is the fail, and this is past tense, which is going to be mabni. So we're going to define Sala is fa'ilu madin mabni alal fatah, because this has a fatah sign. Is for huwa, hiya, and huma is going to be fatah. So we see that Sala. Kamalun, how we going to define the file? Same thing. Failun marfoon wa lamatu rafihi ad-damma, has a damma. And how we going to define Muhammadan, which is going to be maf'ul. Maf'ulun bihi mansubun wa lamatu nasbi al-fatah. Tuhibbu, another verb. So we're going to say, again, is going to be the rafa form. Fe'lun mudariun marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. You will see now you see that an has come, which is the harfun nasbin is going to change the present tense from rafa form to nasab form. So you see an hal tuhibbu an nazhaba, it should be zahaba yazhabu, it should be tazhabu, it should be like for anta should be tazhabu, but it is changing to tazhaba because of an. So how we going to define tazhaba? Fe'lun mudariun mansubun because of bi an, because of an, wa alamatun nasbi al fatah. So simply alamatu rafi damma will change to alamatu nasbi fatah because this is for anta. So what Muhammad is replying, naam, yes, mata nazhabu, when we will go. So nazhabu is the rafa form, simple. Fe'lun mudariun marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Kamal is replying, nazhabu yawmal jumati, we will go on the on Friday, yawmal jumati. So nazhabu is same thing. Yawmal jumati, yawma is zarf zaman is representing the time. Maf'ul bihi mansubun, yawma is you see yawma is not yawmu, so it's maf'ul because it's maf'ul bihi mansubun wa alamatu nasbi al fatah, as the fatah sign, and then becomes mudaf wa huwa mudaf wal jumati mudaf alayhi majroor and wa alamatul jarri al kasra, and you see jumati has a kasra sign. So we will go on Friday. Muhammad is saying, Asifun, sorry, lan azhaba ila cinema yawmul jumati. I will not go to cinema on Friday. Fal usratu kullaha tazhabu ila bayti jaddi fi hazal yawmi. Because the family, all his family, kullaha tazhabu goes to the grandpa's house on this day. So how we gonna define some of the verbs here? You see here, just like an, lan will make the fail mudari mansub. You see azhaba. So for ana it should be azhabu, but is azhaba. So it's because of lan. So how we gonna define azhaba? Failun mudariun mansubun bilan, because of lan, walamatu nasbi al fatah, the fatah sign. And then usratu again is mubtada, so it's same thing and has the damma. Usratu is mubtada marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad damma, and tazhabu fi'lun mudariun marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad damma wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar, and so this jumla fi'liya is coming for khabar for usratu. Hal tuhibbu, so Muhammad is continuing, hal tuhibbu an tazurana, do you like visiting us? He's saying instead we go to cinema, would you like to accompany us? So again you see here tuhibbu is same thing. I'm not putting Arab here, but it's the same Arab like this. An is the harfun nasbin again, tazurana. So you see it should be tazuru, but it's changing, an is changing to tazura, and na is maf'ul bihi. So what is, how we gonna define tazurana? So tazura is coming from, is the verb actually, zara yazuru. So huwa yazuru, anta tazuru, but because of an, tazuru changes to tazura. So tazura is failun mudariun mansubun, is nasab mansub bi an, because of an, walamatu nasbi al fatah. And what is na? Well, na damirun should be one meme. And na, well, na damirun muttasilun, attached pronoun, mabni al sukoon, alif has a sukoon, fi mahalli nasbin maf'ul bihi, because maf'ul bihi has to be mansoob. Okay, so Kamal is now replying bikulli sururin, my player, like he agreeing. Fa ana lam ajlis فأنا من لم أجلس مع أسرة عربية من قبل, because I have never sat with an Arabic family before. So he wants to go visit with his Muhammad's family, because he's saying that he has never been with the Arabian family, Arabic family. So ana is mubtada here. Ana is the mirun munfasilun. This is a detached pronoun. Mabni ala sukoon. Now alif has a sukoon. Fi mahalli rafin mubtada. So ana is mubtada. And lam is the particle will make the fail mudari majzoom. So you see ajlis. It was the verb is jalasa yajlisu, so it should be ajlisu for ana, but is ajlis, has the sukoon at the end. So to sit, so ajlis is failun mudariun majzoomun, is the majzoom form, because it's following by coming after lam, bilam, because of lam, walamatu jazmi as sukoon, and this is the jazm is the majzoom form, the symbol sukoon, this showing that this is majzoom. Wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar. So this is ana is mubtada, ajlis is khabar. Muhammadun Hasanun, fine, nakhruju yawm al-jum'ati wa nazhabu ila bayti jiddi. We will leave on Friday and we'll go to my grandpa's home house. So nakhruju is verb is kharaja yakhruju, but nakhnu is nakhruju, so it's not followed for coming after any particle, so it's the regular rafa form. So nakhruju is failun mudariun marfuun walamatu rafi dhamma. Nazhabu, same thing, which has come before couple of times. Kamal is saying ashkuruka, I thank you. So here the verb is shakara yashkuru, and for ana is ashkuru. So ashkuru is failun mudariun marfuun walamatu rafi ad-damma. And what is ka? Ka is the mirun muttasilun, attached pronoun, mabni alal fathi. You see fatha sign on ka. Fi mahalli nasbin maf'ul bihi, because is maf'ul bihi has to be mansoob. So yawmul jum'ati, now the Friday has come. Muhammadun wa Kamalun zahaba ila bayti jaddi. So on Friday, Muhammad and Kamal, they go to grandpa's house. So here you see Muhammad is mubtada here. So mubtada marfu walamatu rafi ad-damma, and zahaba is, because there are two guys, so it's gonna be huma form, zahaba, and his huma form also ends with fatha. So zahaba is fa'ilu madin mabni alal fathi, ba has the fatha ending. Wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli raf'in khabar. So this jumla fi'liya is coming for khabar for Muhammad. And Muhammadun wa Kamalun yatrukanil baba. Muhammad and Kamal, they knock the door. Again Muhammad is mubtada. Yatrukani, same like zahaba was the past tense, so this is the present tense. The verb is taraka yatruku, to knock. Failun mudariun. So yatrukani, failun mudariun, marfu is the marfu form. You see the presence of noon. This is the min afwalil khamsa. So presence of noon means this is the rafa form. Failun mudariun marfuun walamatu rafi bis sabuti noon liannahu min al afwalil khamsa. So they knock the door. Al jaddatu taftahu Taftahul Baba wa Takulu Ahlan wa Sahlan Kamalun wa Muhammadun Dakhala. They both enter. So the grandma, she opens the door and she says, welcome, and they both enter. So al jaddatu here, because is the noun, sentence starting from ism. So this is mubtada marfoon walamatu rafi ad-damma is mubtada, and because this is the al jaddatu grand feminine word, so that is why this here version is used. The verb is fataha yaftahu. Fataha yaftahu. For here is going to be taftahu. So but yes, this is taftahu because is the fail mudari marfu. Failun mudariun marfuun walamatu rafi ad-damma. Al-baba is maful bihi mansubun. Maful bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al-fata. You can read here. Watakulu is coming from the verb kala yakulu, and because this is the grandma feminine, so for hiya is tukulu. So takulu is failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi damma. And kamalun is mubtada, and dakhala same thing like zahaba, so it's the same arab. Al-binatu sagiratu yajlisna amamal kittati. So the girls, the young girls, sagirati, little girls, they sit amamal kittati, in front of the cat. So here al-banatu is mubtada. So mubtada marfoon walamatu rafi ad-damma, this damma sign, banatu. Yajlisna, so this is, we said that the one with the nunun niswa, they stay mabni. This is the present tense, but hunna and antunna, they don't change, they stay mabni. So this is one of those. So failun mudariun mabni ala sukoon, because has a sukoon. Yajlisna, seen has a sukoon. Wal jumla failure coming for khabar, fi mahalli rafin khabar. Amamal kittati yanzurna, same like yajlisna. The verb is nazara yanzuru, to see. Failun mudariun mabniun ala sukoon. Ilayha wa yazhaqna, so the verb is zahaka yazhaku, and it's going to be yazhaqna. Same for failun mudari mabni ala sukoon. Warijalu yajlisuna, and the men, they sit. Wayashrabuna, and they drink. Ashaya, the tea. So rijalu is mubtada marfoon walamatu rafi ad-damma. Yajlisuna, again the presence of noon is the making it rafa form because is for whom. So jalasa yajlisu, failun yajlisuna is failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi sabuti noon. Liannahu min al-af'al al-khamsa, because this is from af'al al-khamsa. Wal jumla failya fi mahalli rafin khabar. Jumla failya is the khabar for rijalu. Yashribuna, same arab for like yajlisuna. The verb is shariba yashribu, to drink. Failun mudariyan marfoon walamatu rafi sabuti noon, presence of noon is making it rafa marfu form. Liannahu min al af'al al khamsa, because this is those 5 forms that have the noon ending. Ashaya is maful bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al fatah, and because this has a fatah ending. So wasayyidatu yatbukhna ta'ama, and the ladies, they cook the food. So wasayyidatu is the noun, is the mubtada in this sentence. Mubtada marfu alamatu rafi ad-damma. Yatbukhna, so the verb is tabakha yatbukhu, to cook. So yatbukhna failun, this mabni again because this has a nunun niswa, noon, feminine noon. Failun mudariun mabni, kha yatbukh has a sukoon, mabni ala sukoon. and ta'ama is maf'ul bihi. Maf'ul bihi mansubun wa lamatun nasbi al-fata wal jumla is the fi mahalli rafin khabar for this whole jumla. Yatbukhna ta'ama is coming as the khabar for as-sayyidatu. Wal awladu sagaru yalabuna al-kurrata fil hadikati wa yasrukhuna, and the little boys, they playing with the ball in the garden, and they are shouting. So awladu is mubtada, same thing, mubtada marfu lamatu rafi dhamma, and yalabuna, the verb is laiba yalabu. So hum yalabuna, huwa yalabu, huma yalabani, hum yalubuna. So this presence of noon is making it rafa. Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un wa lamatu rafi subuti noon li'annahu min al-fa'il khamsa. Al-kurrata is kurrata, and this is maf'ul. Maf'ulun bihi mansubun wa lamatun nasbi al-fata, and this jumla failure yalabuna al-kurrata coming as the khabar for al-awladu wal jumla failure fi mahalli rafin khabar. Al-jaddatu, grandma, she is saying something. Ya awladu, oh boys, la yajibu an tasrahu hakaza, you should not be screaming like this. So yajibu is the verb wajaba yajibu, to be appropriate. Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un wa lamatu rafi dhamma, we know that has a dhamma. An is the particle which making is the mansoob. So we see with the mansoob form we don't see the noon here. It should be tasrukhuna, just like yasrukhuna for whom. For antum it should be tasrukhuna, but we don't see noon here. So tasruhu is fi'lun mudari'un mansubun bi an, because of an. Wa lamatun nasbi is hazfi nooni. So the omission of noon is the sign that this is mansoob. So she is saying don't scream because jaddukum yakzabu min haza, your grandpa will be angry, will be mad on this. So jaddu is the mubtada marfu'un wa lamatu rafi ad-dhamma. You see jaddu as a dhamma, and this becomes madaf, and kum is damirun muttasilun mabni ala sukun, mim has a sukun, fi mahalli jarrin mudaf alayhi, and this mudaf alayhi. Yakzibu coming from the verb ghazaba yakzibu, to be mad or angry. So yakzabu, so fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un wa lamatu rafi ad-dhamma wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar. So this is khabar for jaddu. Min haza, you see I have put a square sign here because this is mabni, this won't change. After min it should be ism majroor, but haza won't show the jar form because this is mabni. So that is why I have putting a square just to show that this is mabni, because this is the pointer and pointers are mabni. So Muhammadun is responding to the grandma's what she was asking. Ya jaddatu, o grandma, anti tarifina, you know, awladu lan yaskutu, the boys will not stay quiet. Fahum la yalabuna illa yawmul jumati, because they don't play except Friday. So they only pray, they study, they only play on Friday, so they will not stop. So anti tarifina, anti is mubtada, we know that the mirun and is munfasilun is detached, mabni alal kasrati, anti, and all pronouns are mabni. So this is mabni by kasra, fi mahalli rafin mubtada, so this is mubtada, And tarifina, this is coming from the verb arafa yarifu. For anti, this changes to tarifina, again presence of noon, one of the afalul khamsa. So failun tarifina is failun mudariun marfuun wa alamatu rafi sabuti noon. The presence of noon is the sign that this is marfu form. Liannahu min al afalil khamsa wal jumla failiya fi mahalli rafin khabar. So this is khabar for anti. Awladu lan yaskutu. So this we have, okay, yaskut. Awladu is mubtada again, and yaskutu, the verb is sakata yaskutu. So this should be yaskutuna, hum yaskutuna, huwa yaskutu, huma yaskutani, hum yaskutuna, but we don't see noon because it's coming after lan, which is will make it mansoob, and mansoob form does not have noon. So yaskutu is failun mudariun mansoobun bi an walamatu nasbi hazfi noon wal jumla failiya fi mahalli rafin khabar, and this jumla failiya is khabar for awladu. Similarly, hum is mubtada, same damirun munfasilun mabni ala sukun fi mahalli rafin mubtada, and yal'abuna coming again, laiba yal'abu, failun mudariun marfuun walamatu rafi sabuti noon liannahu min al af'al al khamsa, because it's from af'al al khamsa, wal jumla al failiya fi mahalli rafin khabar. So yal'abuna is khabar for hum. Okay, so Muhammadun wa Kamalun yusallimani alal jaddi wa yajlisani. So Muhammad and Kamal, they say assalamu alaikum to the grandpa and they sit. So Muhammadun is mubtada again, mubtada marfoon walamatu rafi damma, yusallimani. So the verb is sallama yusallimu, sallama yusallimu, to greet. Failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi sabuti noon, presence of noon, liannahu min al af'alil khamsa wal jumla al failiya fi mahalli rafin khabar, and this jumla failiya is khabar for Kamal. Yajlisani, same, jalasa yajlisu. So huwa yajlisu, huma yajlisani. So huma, presence of noon, min al af'alil khamsa, failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi sabuti noon liannahu min al af'alil khamsa. So al-jaddu now is asking question, hal tadrusu lugat al-arabiyya, do you study Arabic language? So tadrusu, the verb is darasa yadrusu. So for anta is tadrusu, failun mudariun marfoon alamatu rafi damma, has a damma. Kamal is responding, naam al-lugatul arabiyyatu jamilatun lakin sabatun. Yes, but the Arabic language is beautiful but difficult. Sabatun, difficult. So al-lugatu, his mubtada, we have here, and jamilatun is khabar, khabrun marfoon lamatu rafi ad-damma. Al-jaddu, grandpa, is saying kullu lugatin sabatun fil bidaya, all languages are difficult in the beginning, fil badaya, beginning. Hal tuhibbu hayata fi Misra, do you like the life in Misr? So because this is this book is written in Egypt, so this is about Misr. So grandpa is asking Kamal, which is Muhammad's friend, he is not Misri, so he's saying, he's telling that all languages are difficult. Do you like life in Misr? So here I have plenty of the words marked here. So kullu is mubtada here, mubtada marfoon walamatu rafi damma, and sobatun, then mudaf and lugatin is mudaf alayhi. Sobatun is khabar, khabrun marfoon walamatu rafi ad-damma. Fil bidaya jarun wa majrur, so fi is harf jar mabni ala sukun, and al bidaya is ism majrur wa lamatu jarri al kasra, as a kasra, and then tuhibbu has come before Habba yuhibbu. So for anta is becomes tuhibbu. Tuhibbu is failun mudariun marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma. Hayata is maful bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al-fata, this fata. So Kamal now is saying yes. An-nasu fi Misra tayyibuna. The people in Misr, they are good. Wa yusa'iduna al-akhirina, and they help the others. So an-nasu is mubtada marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma. Tayyibuna. So this is the khabar marfun walamatu, this is the ism, and is jama muzakkar salim, tayyibun, tayyibani, tayyibuna. So khabarun marfun walamatu rafi, the waw is the sign for this is the rafa liannahu jama muzakkar, because this jama muzakkar salim. Wa yusaiduna. So the verb is sa'ada yusaidu, to help. Yusaiduna is failun mudarin marfun walamatu rafi sabuti noon, presence of noon, liannahu min al afalil khamsa, because this is from afalil khamsa. Akhirina is mansub, is maful, and is mansub. So maful bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al-ya, because this is the jama muzakkar salim. Akhirun, akhirani, akhirina. So akhiruna, akhirina, akhirina. So for nasab and jar, this ya is the same. The word remains the same. So this ya is here, the fatah sign, because this is maful bihi. Muhammad is saying mata nakulu ya jadi, oh my grandpa, when we gonna eat. So nakulu is for nahnu. Akala yakulu, to eat. For nahnu is nakulu, failun mudariun marfun walamatu rafi damma. Hafaz al jaddu sawtahu, the grandpa is lowering his voice. So hafaza is the past tense. Hafaza yafizu, hafaza is failun madin mabni al fathi, is the for huwa. Al jaddu is the fa'il, fa'ilun marfun walamatu rafi ad damma. Sawtahu is, sawta is maful bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al fata wa huwa mudaf wal ha damirun muttasilun fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayhi. So he lowers his voice and he said kala, kala yakulu. Kala is the past tense, fa'ilu madin mabni al fathi. Jaddatuka tatbuhu, your grandma is, she is cooking. So jaddatu is mubtada marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma wa huwa mudaf wal kaf, ka is damirun muttasilun mabni al fata, has the fata, fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayhi. Tatbuhu, so the verb is tabakha yatbuhu. For hiya is changes to tatbuhu. So tatbuhu is failun mudariun marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma, has the damma form, damma sign. Wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar, and this jumla fi'liya is the khabar for jaddatu. He said that your grandma, she is cooking. Atamanna an nakulu bisuratin, I wish that we eat soon. Bisuratin, quickly, we eat soon. So now an has come, the nakulu will change to nakula. Atamanna is the verb, tamanna yatamanna, from yatamanna, for ana it changes to atamanna, I wish. So atamanna is failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi ad-dammatul muqaddara. You see, when this weak letters come, you don't see the rafa sign here, but is estimated alaliyai upon here. Is actually atamanna you, but is not written. So in this case we say dammatul muqaddara. An is then her particle for nasab, which making it this akala yakulu. For nahnu is nakulu, changing to nakula. So nakula is failun mudariun mansubun bi an, because of an, walamatun nasbi al fata. So although he said this, he lowered his voice, but Samiyatil Jaddatu, the grandma, she heard. So Samiya is the verb. Samiya yasma'u, to hear. Fi'lu madin. So Sami'at, fi'lu madin mabni al fata, is the fata, is the hiya form. Al jaddatu is the fa'il. Fa'ilun marfoon walamatu rafi ad damma. And what she said, faqalat, she said. So qalat is qala yakulu, huwa qala, hiya qalat. So qalat is fi'lu madin mabni al fata, lam has the fata. Ya Muhammadun at-ta'amu jahizun, the food is ready. At-ta'amun jahizun, mubtada khabar. Walakin anta wa jadduka lan takula. And but you and your grandpa will not eat. So you see, lan means will not, and this will make the fi'l mudari mansoob. So takula is mansoob form without noon. So akala yakulu, it should be takulani, because talking about the two persons. So fi'lun mudariun mansubun bi an walamatun nasbi hazfi noon. So removal of omission of noon is the fi'l mansubun. Was zahika. So zahika again, zahika yazhaku, to laugh. So the grandpa, he laughed. Fi'lu madin mabni al fata. Jalasa Kamalun ma'a usrati ilal maidati wa akulu. Kamal sat with the family at the table and they eat. Wal jaddu wal abu wal ammu wal khalu. Grandpa, father, uncle, khalu, ammu, they both for uncle. Ammu, mother's brother. Khalu, father's brother. Kalu, they said, Nashkuru kunna antunna tabakhtunna ta'aman jamilan. So they all ate and then they thanked the ladies who cooked the food, and they said, you cooked a beautiful food. So Jalasa Kamalun. So Jalasa is the past tense. Fi'lu madin mabni al fata. Kamal is the fa'il. Fa'ilun marfoon wa lamatu rafi ad damma. Wakulu, and they eat. So akala yakulu. Akala, akala, akalu. So this is a hum form. Fi'lu madin mabni al dammi, and we know that only for whom will get the dhamma sign over waw. Akulu liyattasalahu bi waw al jamad, and waw is the plural waw for whom. And kala, kalu. So kalu is fi'lu madin mabni al dhammi. Again, this is the for whom. So is only whom will be mabni al dhammi liyattasalahu bi waw al jamadi. Same thing. Nashkuru, shakara yashkuru. Nahnu nashkuru. So fi'lun nashkuru, fi'lun mudariun marfu'un lamatu rafi damma, and kunna is damirun muttasilun fi mahallin nasbin, is maf'ul bihi. Kunna is maf'ul bihi. Antunna is mubtada, tabakhtunna. So antunna is damirun munfasilun fi mahalli rafin mubtada. Tabakhtunna is again tabakha yatbuhu, to cook. Tabakhtunna is for coming for antunna. So fi'lu madin mabni al sukoon. This kha has the sukoon. Li tasalahu annunun niswa, which is so tabakhtunna will take the sukoon. Hunna and antunna, they will take sukoon. Ta'aman jamilan. So ta'aman is maf'ul bihi mansubun wa lamatu nasbi al fata, and al jumla fi mahalli rafin khabar for antunna. So Kama Muhammadun, Muhammad stood up. Wa Kamalun, and Kamal also. Qalatil jiddatu lahuma, the grandma, she said to both of them, Antuma lam takula jayidan, you both did not eat well. So Kama is the past tense. Kama yakumu, to stand up. I did not say to stand up. Muhammadun is fa'il. Muhammadun fa'ilun marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Qalat has come before. Al-jaddatu is fa'il for qalat. Fa'ilun marfun wa alamatu rafi al-damma. This jaddatu. Antuma is mubtada marfu'ani wa alamatu rafi al-alf musanna. This is for antuma, alif musanna. Lam is the particle will make the fail mudare majzoom, so it should be takulani, but we don't see noon here. So takula failun mudariun majzoomun wa alamatul jazmi hazfi nooni. So the omission of noon is making it majzoom form. Jayidan is maful bihi mansubun wa alamatul nasbi al-fata wal jumla failiya fi mahli rafin khabaran is for khabar for this whole jumla. Takula jayidan is khabar for antuma. Kamal, he's saying nahnu shabina walhamdulillah, we are full and thanks God. So nahnu is mubtada here. Damirun munfasilun fi mahalli rafin mubtada, and shabina is the verb. Shabiya yashbau, to be full. So shabina is the past tense. Fi'lu madin mabni ala sukun li ittisalahu bina, because it's connected to na. So wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar, and this is shabina is khabar for nahnu. Walhamdulillah. So similarly again mubtada wa khabar. Mubtada marfu alamatu rafi damma, and lillah jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla fi mahalli rafin khabar. So jalasa Kamalun, Kamal sat, wa takallama ma usrati kasira, and Kamal spoke to the family a lot. So the kallama is coming from the verb kallama, takallama yatakallamu. So takallama is past tense. Fi'lu madin mabni ala fatah has the fatah, and kasiran maful bihi mansubun wa alamatun nasbu al fatah. So Kamal is now saying usratuka latifatun ya Muhammad. Oh Muhammad, your family is very nice, is nice. So usratu is mubtada marfu alamatu rafi and becomes mudaf, wal kaf zamirun muttasilun mabni al fatah mabni al fathi fi mahalli jarin mudaf alayhi, has come before few times. Latifatun is khabar for usratu, khabar marfoon wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Muhammad is saying ashkuruka. Ashkuruka has come before. Ashkuruka, so same Arab. Walakin maza ta'allamta, but what did you learn? Ta'allama yata'allamu, to learn. Fi'lu ta'allamta, fi'lu madin mabni ala sukun, has a sukun at meme. Kamal said, Kamal ta'allamtu anna al-lughata taftahu bab al-hayati. I learned that the language opens the door of life. وَنَحْنُ نَدْخُلُ مِنْ هَذَا الْبَابِ إِلَى أَقُولِ النَّاسِ وَقُلُوبِهِمْ, and we enter in this door through the minds of the people and their hearts. So ta'allamtu for the same form here is yata'allama yata'allamu, and for ana ta'allama changes to ta'allamtu. So ta'allamtu is fi'lu madin mabni ala sukun, and taftahu fataha yaftahu, to open. Taftahu fi'lun mudariun marfun walamatu rafi damma is damma sign. Baba is maful bihi mansubun वलामतुन नस्बी अल-फता व हुवा मुदाफ and al-hayati mudaf ilayhi majroor walamatul we can say alamatul jarri al-kasratu. We see that kasra here. So bab al-hayati is mudaf alayhi wa nahnu again is mubtada. Damirun munfasilun mabni ala damma. You see nahnu fi mahalli rafin because mubtada has to be marfu. Fi mahalli rafin mubtada. Nadkhulu dakhala yadkhulu nahnu nadkhulu fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi'alamati rafi damma wal jumla fi'liya fi mahalli rafin khabar. So that's the end of the lesson. We will do some verbs that have come in this lesson, some explanation of these verbs and the exercises in the next session, inshallah.